Okay, so I just pulled into Goodwill. The parking lot has been packed for days. So we're gonna go in and see if there's anything new. Hopefully, you know, I can get in and out, but I'll take you along with me. Let's go see what we can find. All right, here we go. Yeah, it takes me like 15 minutes to drive here. So do you ever add in the amount of time it takes you to go to the store to see what they're selling? The color is blue. Looks like someone's cut. Let's go see. Well, I still haven't brought that silverware out that I'm waiting on. Really wanted them to bring that out. Not really seeing a whole lot. There's too many people over there. It's blue. You know, I've been wondering. These plates sell for about $17 each. I was trying to find the other day. These are Martha Stewart. But you know what? For new plates, they seem like they have no scuff marks. See that? Can you see that? It must be from sitting on top of each other. So I think I'm just gonna leave them alone. I'm not really seeing, so far, same stuff. But this is what I mean about going every day. Get a real good idea. What's new, what isn't. Is this a squishmallow? I'm not sure. Nope. Adopt me. A lot of llamas. A lot of llamas. All right. Don't see anything in the games. What's the color? Blue. What's the color for these again? Red. All right. Nope. Those are kind of interesting. These drums. See a brand on them. Let's check those out. What's it say? Brookside, Brookstone. I'm gonna check these out. I'm gonna look those up. Okay. Crowded. Very, very crowded.
Back to buy it all again?
Yep. Yes, I am. I'm not seeing a whole lot of new stuff, though.
No, it's trickling out.
Oh.
The past couple of days, we haven't had somebody to price.
Okay.
It's the holidays.
Right.
I've been bringing a couple carts out as they come.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I put these black things out today.
Yep, plant
These
stands.
stands are nice.
This is kind of cool. So, I don't like that, no.
I don't know if they...
The plant stands?
No, the black tables.
Oh, those are cool.
Them are cool. Them come out today.
Wow.
They're adjustable.
Yeah, those are nice. See how... Oh, those are pretty nice. That's a nice big table. It's 4 of them.
They are.
I'm going to leave it like that so people can see it. Oh, I'm sorry, that's my cart. Oh my goodness. Hey you. What is this? Look at this. It's $34.99. I'm gonna take a picture and see what it is. I'll be right back. Well, I couldn't find anything on the trumpet, but not that interested in it. What is this? That's cool. It's just a picture though. Somebody. Yeah, I'm not seeing a whole lot. What's this? Not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that's all about. That's the back. Sounds very weird. Huh. Gonna check it out. Be right back. Okay, I can't find anything on this, but I think it's just a print. A signed print. No, I'm just gonna leave it in my cart for a minute. Definitely not a painting. Let's go check it out. Stuff is trickling out. Oh wow, that's awesome. But I don't know if those go in there. Look at that. Whoops, sorry about that. Look at that. $24. Okay, so I just looked this up. One sold for $125, but it was in a rounded caddy. So I'm not sure if this is even something I want to get. To only make, I don't know, it's $25. Let's see. Oh, this is Pioneer Woman. As you can see, Pioneer Woman doesn't really sell that great. Okay. Now the anniversaries, the thing with anniversaries are really difficult to sell. It's very specific. And this is a shame because this is gorgeous. It's missing the top. They want $11, $12 for the whole set. These are beautiful. But missing the cover. Nope. Nope. What is this? That looks very heavy. I'm going to put those glasses back. I want to read what this is. So, be sure that's what it says. Czechoslovakian. Alright. Dish packing set. How much are these? $3. Wonder how much I can get those for. pack my items pretty good. I don't need special packing items. This is a match to what I just picked up yesterday. So I'm gonna go in here and see what's in the world is that. Huh. I don't think that belongs in there. But this is what I was looking at. This I kind of like. Okay, no. There's a price. I'm gonna go put these glasses back. I'm not doing $25 to maybe. I mean, the prices were all over the place for these, like $50. So I think I'm gonna go put it back. Definitely. It's a big set to ship out. I don't think I really want to deal. So I'm just gonna put this thing back there. Thank you. That's exactly where it was. So, unless you want it.
No.
There. Woo. Perfect. I like this calendar. This calendar is pretty cool. Let me see who makes that one. I would use that for me. Definitely use that for me. Did you just see it? Right there. Huh. Can you read that? Can't really read it. Looks like a nice calendar. I like the shape. I'm probably gonna put that print back too. They have it marked at $10. A little high. I can't really find a whole lot of. Maybe I'll send it to Sarah. Maybe Sarah can figure it out for me. What is that? Kind of a toy. Interesting. Interesting. Yarn. This is where I found all those cards. The butterfly postcards, which were really cool. Layer. Very interesting. Not sure what that means. Sets. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna put that back. If somebody makes a fortune on it, well, you can say it was in my cart. But I'm gonna put it back. Alrighty. It's gonna be a short trip. Okay. Sweater looks cool. It's Fashion Bug.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Pretty good, thank you. Well, let's go through here. See what we have. You just never know. I started looking at clothes after this, so I'll show you at the end. Okay, so I got out of there at $29. I got that beautiful Tahari jacket, which sells for $68. A couple J. Crew men's slim pants. And what else did I get? An LL Bean sweater jacket. And a pair of lined jeans. And a little dish rack for my downstairs bathroom so I can wash my items and put it in. All right, so there it is, $29. Let's see what I can make out of that.